Hi friends, welcome and welcome back. On today's menu guys, I'll be sharing with you how I prepared this delicious yam porridge and plantain from frozen yam. This is one of those meals that you prepare on a day that you're so tired that you don't even want to peel your yam or plantain, but you still need to satisfy your craving. It's super easy to prepare and it's get done in no time. So if you like to see how I prepare this, please continue watching. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Thank you for coming, and please do well to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you find value in this video, and share with your family and friends if you can. So without wasting much of your time, let's get cooking. I'll start by adding some palm oil in my pot, and I'll also go in with some vegetable oil. Then I'll go in with my blended peppers and onions. I have some bell peppers, some onion, and I also have some scotch bonnet peppers in my pepper blend. I'll fry for a few minutes. About 3 to 5 minutes later, I'll go in with some seasoning cubes, and I'll also go in with my crayfish at this point. Then I'll fry this for another 1 minute for the aroma in the crayfish for everything to infuse together. Next, I'll go in with my frozen yams and plantain. Your yam need to be frozen before it goes into the pot. You don't need to defrost your yam before it goes into the pot. I will go in with some meat broth. This is totally optional. If you do not have any meat broth, just go in with your water. So once I go in with my meat broth, I'll add some more water that will be enough to cook the yam. Then I will stir and test for salt. At this point, I needed to add more salt, so I'll go in with more salt. Next, I'll go in with some chicken, and at this point, if you're making use of fish or any protein of your choice, just add it at this point, because you add everything you are making use of at this point. Then you cover the yam to cook until soft. So now I'm making use of some frozen chicken. Like I said, this is one of those meals that you prepare on a day that you feel so tired to make anything. So I've just added some frozen chicken. This is not just one chicken. I have some grilled chicken. I also have some cooked chicken, all frozen. So I just got them out from the freezer, cut them up, and yeah. So I'll go in with the chicken, and I'll cover this to cook until it's tender enough. So once the yam has properly cooked, I'll go in with some frozen scent leaves, and I'll also go in with some frozen spinach as well. So at this point, add your vegetables. If you're making use of fresh vegetables, that is perfect, but all I'm making use of is frozen vegetables at this point. So I'll go in with some vegetables. I'll stir this and also mash up some yams, because I don't want all of them to be in chunks. So I'll stir and mash up some yams, and I'll cover it to simmer for another 2 to 3 minutes. And 3 minutes later, here we have it. This meal takes no more than 30 minutes to be ready, and this tasted so good. Thank you so much for watching. If you have watched to this very point, thank you. I do appreciate your stay here. If you are new here, please do well to subscribe to the channel to be part of the family, and turn your bell notification on to get notified each time I upload a new video. To my old subscribers, thank you for all your support. I do see your comments. Keep the comments coming, and thank you once again. If you have ever prepared your yam from frozen yam, please kindly let me know in the comment section, or how do you prefer to prepare your yam porridge. Thank you once again, and I will see you all in my next one. Have a good weekend and have a blessed day at the same time. Bye.